Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called AiPro, which is the world's first all-in-one chat GPT killer app suite that does everything, creating AI chatbot, AI image generation, AI multi-language content maker, AI speech to text generation, AI article writer, AI ads maker, Amazon product maker, AI email writer, and many more in just 2 minutes. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 35 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $10,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.